ladies and gentlemen, I present to you an MP4. Check out this sick ass Supra though, man. This SVJ though, dog. Shawty hit my line every time. Shawty wanna do it in the night. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It is currently 4:30 in the morning, and you and I will be heading to Cars and Coffee in Concord, North Carolina today. If you haven't seen my last video, definitely go check that out, man. We got a bunch of cool kit cars in there. The link's right up here. But definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram and SansGen to keep up with it for sure. And definitely cop some TunerGodz merch, guys. You know, link will be below in the description. Support the channel, support your boy. But we're about to go link up with the GTR homie Chris, so let's hit the road. Chris!
Yo, man!
Dude, the GTR is so awesome, man! Those taillights, man, so magnificent. Signature taillights, bro. 5:23 in the morning. It's never too early for some GTR taillights. So currently we're chilling at this Hendrix dealership right here, and yeah, we're waiting on some more homies to pull in. We got another GTR coming. He's bringing some people, so that should be pretty lit. I am also in a dire need to urinate, guys. Oh my goodness. Also, you've probably seen like some ads for this crap. Don't buy it, bro. It tastes like garbage, bro. Completely utter garbage. Trash. Disgusting. Sheesh. James bringing all the GTR, bro. Yo, those lights are so sick, man. So sick, dog. So sick. Look at this whole entourage, bro. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Sheesh. 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 Big Wang gang? Damn, dog. I like it, bro. Ooh, look at those tails, bro. Look at this place, dog. I'm pretty sure I've been here before for like an event. Yeah, I was definitely here. Look at all of this, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I can't wait to take a look at all these cars. The whole Corvette gang pulling in right now is so sick, dog. Z06s, ZR1s. Oh, we got a Giulia Alfa Romeo in the rear. Dude, look at this, man. Corvette, burning the murmur like that. Dog. I like it, bro. I like it. Exhaust tips on this. Fire. Talk about Corvette gang though. I mean, we have a Grand Sport right here. We have this beautiful C8 in this lovely, lovely dark blue. Oh my goodness, dog. Look at these wheels though. And then you have some more down here, of course. Boom, ZR1 coming down. Oof. Yep, I like it. BR Zizzles. Nah, that's a F for Rizzle. 5.0 Fox body though. You know what I'm saying? Veloster gang, Hyundai all the way. This Shelby over here, Pro Dyno, super sweet. 963 crank, 819 rear wheel horsepower, dog. Whipple, supercharged, bro. That's a monster. Clean ass ZR1 right here. Ooh, look at this cutout on the hood though, man. Damn, dog. That's sexy. Carbon fiber roof. Oh my goodness. Got a 4 right here with some really weird wheels, but I mean it's unique to it. It's a nice style. Then we got a Chevelle right here. Yeah, mate. That thing's nice. Jenny in the rear. This sick ass scat though, man. Look at this. Look. It's so pretty underneath the hood, bro. Toro 704 custom. This dude put his whole personality in this car, bro. That is super sick. And I like the carbon fiber right there too. Yeah, no, dog. I like it, bro. I do. Z06 though. Nice. No, this is something I would drive, dog. This whole Itasha Pokemon Hellcat, bro. With like headlights, just, oh gosh, aftermarket, everything. I couldn't name these Pokemon, but I know them and they're super sick and I love it. And I'm just like, dude needs to come to Caffeine and Octane with me so we can go line up with the Itasha cars. And then, of course, you know, we got some My Hero Academia stuff over here on this, guys. Oh my goodness. This is insane, bro. Whole Itasha, like, I am speechless. I'm not even making sense right now. It's okay. Okay, so that makes it even better. This GTR though, man. Oh my goodness, dog. GTR is out the ass today. You know I love these cars, man. You know I do. Got another kind of Itasha Mustang right over here with some, what looks to be like some Gundam stuff. I'm not really too sure. I need to get the up and up on my anime, but yeah, definitely Gundam right here. My goodness, dog. You hear that whine? Dog. That's that supercharger right there. That a Lambo, dog? Oh no, that's a Lotus, bro. Yeah, no, that's a Lotus. This Mustang though. That's nice, bro. Ooh, PR Zizzles on the floor. My gosh, dude. Now y'all know that the GT500 Cobra is like the only Mustang I'd ever want to own. Because I mean, damn, dude, these cars look so sick. So sick, man. Oh my gosh, bro. And then there's a whole lineup down there. We'll go check it out. But we got a STI over here. We got a RT over here. And then we have an Infinity, of course. An RS. Monster stripe on the front. So you know they love getting their energy. And then the Cobra lineup, bro. 700 horsepower plus stock. Well, at least this one is. But this looks like a 350, and this also looks like a 350. MP412C, MP412 Sizzles. Where you going, bro? Come on up, let me talk to you, Mr. McLaren, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you an MP412C. Look at that door. This SDI though, big wing gang. Oh my goodness, dog. Lime green calipers on the brakes. I like it, bro. I like it. Oh, and dog, like, come on, bro. He got even like his Hot Wheels just hanging off of the mirror. That's what I'm talking about. Now look at this old thing. Grand National Turbo Trans Am. It's an official race car, guys. Pace car. 73rd Indianapolis 500, May 28th. 1989. This RCF looking sick. Of course, we got some more Corvettes. Corvette. More Corvettes. Grand Sport. Z06. Z066. Another one. C8 gang. Oh my goodness, dude. Another C8. What? Another C8, man. Sheesh. Beamer. This looks like a 330i. Am I right? Let's go check in the back. Let's go look. Look with me, guys. Let's see. Oh, close. It's a M340. Can you tell how excited I am to be here, guys? Can you tell? I hope you can feel that. S2000. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that. And then we got a Del Sol too. Sick, man. Another Del Sol. Oh my goodness. What is this, Chris? What? It's a Blazer, guys. Look at these wheels, man.
Check out the Pro style.
Look at how thick these tires are. Look at this thing, dog. It's a Plymouth Prowler. This right here. This nice little V6 right here. Look at that, mate. This fucking Supra though, dog. Look at this thing, man. I would definitely drive this. Hands down. No problem. SVJ making hella noise coming down, bro. Oh my goodness, dog. You know we gotta get this thing coming in. This SVJ though, dog. Look at that. That's mad. Cobra heading on out. Let's take a closer look at this SVJ right here. Pretty sure, like I said, this was the same one that came out to Bears and Gears and Bears, whichever, whatever you want to call it. And it was spitting mad flames, making a lot of noise. But I mean, hey, look, guys, Lambos, sick Lambo, carbon fiber wing, Lambo on top of Lambo, SVJ. It's so super cool. But back to this Supra though, dog. I love how it comes alive in the sun, man. You see that sparkle? That is sick, man. That is so sick. F-Type in the cut, bro. JDM all day. I love this. I love that, dude. That's so sick. Almost missed this badass Supra too. Dog, TEs, man. This thing is sick, dog. Sick, my guy. Love these cars. Ooh, he has a carbon fiber lip too. That's nice, man. Really, truly, absolutely. Corvette, where is the bumper? Where are your fenders? Doesn't matter, you don't need them. The lineup though, man, the lineup. More Corvettes 5.0s on deck. This one looking clean. Kind of messing with the snake eyes you put on the Cobra headlights, bro. It's kind of cool, but I mean, can you even see through that? Oh, we got a bag Type R on the floor, man. Type R Society? Yeah, dude, I messed with it. This one's really nice, man. Gotta show love when we go back to the future. We got a freaking DeLorean out here, man. Just in case you haven't seen what the inside of one of these look like. It's so sick, dog. I love DeLoreans, man. Love it. Butterfly doors. So dope. Oh, we got a Viper GTS right here, man. Oh my goodness. Dog. American muscle. Couldn't be better. That is one powerful car, man. Bro, check out this sick ass Supra though, man. Oh my goodness. Carbon fiber wing. That's super dope. And then we have an R32 right here, repping my Caribbean guy, dog, from Guyana. That's nice, dog. For real. I really respect it. Holding Commodore SSV. Oh my goodness, bro. I like the green on this one. Super sick. R8 V10 though. You know I love R8s, guys. Come on. This thing is on another level, and it's a convertible too. This 86 though, man. Oh my goodness, dude. Yo, they really came out today, man. Charlotte never plays, bro. Charlotte never plays. Look at this thing. Man. Sick ass C8 over here again, bro. You know I love these cars, man. That's beautiful, man. Take a look at these rides right here, bro. This thing has an Ellis engine under the hood. Absolutely crazy, bro. Absolutely. This also super cool. Like it. Very stylish, very unique, very good car. This as well. Bro, come on, just respect the build. Respect it. Hey, some people might call it a box, but you know, I respect it. Take a look at this thing too. Super sweet, bro. All in all, guys, I had such an awesome time coming out to Cars and Coffee right here in Charlotte/Concord. It's always a good time when I come out with the bros, man. But definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at SazzyGen to keep up with it. And definitely support the channel by shopping TunerGodz merch, guys. Everything will be below in the description. But we're gonna wrap this up right here, so you already know. Peace, love, sleep and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because of Sazzy Vlogs.
I say fling it back on me. Got the batting and do it when I beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup it never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.